Let's whip up. So I used the 3 spice blends for the 3 blends from Whip Up King. The Sazón, the Herbaceous, and the Spice Spice. This is lamb. I'm gonna put this on a skewer, and I'm gonna have it rotisserie. Spice Spice, Sazón, and Herbaceous. Some lamb, Spice Spice, Sazón, and some Herbaceous. Smells so good. I have about a half hour in. It's getting a nice crust, so I'm going to cover it with some foil so it doesn't fully brown. But that crust on it looks amazing. This is the lamb. Gonna slice into it. You're good, babe. We're in the kitchen. Cut a few slices.
Maybe it'll taste delicious.
Some stuffed shells.